Okay, so what we're doing today is we are continuing section 2.4. Today what we're doing is we're writing equations when you have 3 or more points. There's several ways to do it, but the easiest way is just to put them in the calculator. And so we've done this before with linear regression, but now we're doing with quadratics. And so it's the same steps. You hit stat, enter, you put your domain in L and your range in L2, so this is your X and this is your Y. Remember, if there's numbers in here, you highlight L1 and hit clear and enter. Do not hit delete. You want to hit the button that says clear. There's a difference. So you have to highlight L1 and hit clear and enter. So we go through the steps. This time we're going to be choosing number 5 for quadratics. And then you're going to get an equation. Some of you are going to have an R, some of you won't. Ignore that. That is not needed for what we're doing. Okay, so the best way to do this is just to look at examples. So what I have is I have this first one, and so I'm going to actually just write these in a list. So my X's and Y's. It's negative 4 with 4, 0 with 8, 2 with 22. Okay, so I'm going to follow my steps. Step 1 says to hit stat, edit, and I'm going to put my numbers in. Negative 4, 0, 2. Make sure you put them in correctly. One wrong mistake or one negative off or a number off can really mess you up. So 4, 8, 22. Step 2 says to hit stat, calc, and go down to number 5. Oops, that's 6. Go down to number 5 and hit enter. And I need to make sure where I put my list. I put my list in L1 and L2. So there's an L2 that's blue down below, so I need to get that. And there it is. Okay? And so I'm going to use that equation. It says A, so Y equals A, and A is 1, X squared plus BX, and B is 5, plus C, and C is 8. Okay? So that's the answer to that. So what I'd like you to do now is I'm going to put the Dora pause on so you can make sure you have that copied down, and then you can try number 2. You can't see Dora. There we go. There she is. Okay, so when you plugged it in, you should make a table that helps you make sure you enter things in, and you should have gotten these results. And from those results, I wrote my equation right there. And so whenever you're given 3 or more points that are quadratic and you're looking for an equation, the best thing to do is plug them in the calculator and to find the answer.